I am going to test one of those videos you see all the time, see if it actually works. We have a battery here that doesn't take a charge, no lights come on or anything else. Okay, this is the one that's charging perfectly fine. We have one blinking green light. This one here is not. It's not doing anything at all. So they say if you take a booster pack or another battery, you can jump it across and get them. Apparently there's potentially some sort of limit switch in these things. If they get too dead, they won't take a charge. So I have two wires hooked up to my booster pack here, and you put the negative on the negative and the positive on the positive, which is on the outer ends of the battery for like 15 seconds or so. And that's supposed to bring it up past that cutoff point of that switch, and then it should take a charge. I'm not sure I believe it. I'm going to test it for myself, and hopefully you can be able to tell if it works too. Little spark, 10 or 15 seconds or so, give or take. Trying to do everything live here so you know we're not doing anything fancy. That's probably long enough. When you say 15 seconds, Trace?
I just counted to 15 now.
Okay, so we're going to take it back off. All right, so after you've done that, we should be able to plug this thing on in and get a flash, get it charging. And lo and behold, it works. We are actually getting a charge out of this battery. And just to show you, we didn't swap batteries here because we did move some stuff around. That one is charging as well. So we're getting a charge out of both these batteries, which we were not getting before. I know I had to cut the camera. I do apologize. Not much I can do about it, but this method does actually work, and you can get a battery back out of that dead mode and get it charging up. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for swinging by Shane's Paint Shop. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.